Safety is an important part of working in Australia. In Australia, the law says that your employer or your boss must do all they can to make sure your job does not hurt you or make you sick. This law is called Work Health and Safety (WHS) or Occupational Health and Safety (OHS). The law also says your boss must have insurance for you in case you are hurt at work. This is called workers' compensation. If you are hurt or get sick at work, the insurance may pay for your medical treatment and for your wages until you can work again. This covers all workers in Australia, even if you are on a temporary visa. In this video, we will look at what your boss must do and what you must do to work under safe conditions in Australia. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja and you're watching another episode on the Youenrol channel. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living and working in Australia. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos when they are released. What must your boss do? Your boss must look after your health and safety at work. Your boss must show you how to do your work safely or make sure someone shows you how to do your job safely. Make sure there is someone to watch out for you. Not ask you to do anything that needs a special license like drive a car, a crane or forklift if you don't have the right license. Have the right tools and equipment for you to do your job safely. Give you safety equipment if you need it to do your job. Safety equipment. Work safety equipment is usually called personal protective equipment or PPE. There are special types of PPE for each job. This could be a hard hat, goggles or safety eyeglasses, gloves, boots, aprons or earmuffs. It needs to be in good condition and it should fit you comfortably. You need to know how to use it and you need to wear it properly. If you think you need something extra, talk to your boss or a more experienced worker or the health and safety representative if there is one at your workplace. What you must do to keep yourself safe at work. In Australia, the law also says that there are things that you must do to look after your own health and safety at work. So, you must be fit enough to do your job, be well enough to do your job, do what your boss tells you as long as it is reasonable and unless you think it is not safe or it could hurt you. Not be under the influence of alcohol or drugs or use alcohol or illegal drugs while at work. Not do anything that will hurt yourself or anyone else at work. If you do not understand how to do anything you are asked to do at work, you should ask your boss or a more experienced worker for help. These are some of the things that could hurt you at work. Using equipment when nobody has taught you how to use it properly. Not wearing the right safety equipment or PPE or not wearing it properly. Hurrying and taking shortcuts. Doing things that take your mind off the job while you're working, like using your own mobile phone while you're working. In Australia, the law says you have the right to ask questions about the work you have been asked to do and to say no if you're asked to do work that could hurt you. If you're asked to do something that you may think may be unsafe, stop and talk to the boss or your supervisor. Sometimes, the boss at work is not the person who pays you. For example, when you work through a labor hire agency, if you work through a labor hire agency, they will pay you, but someone else is in charge at work. If you don't want to talk to the boss at work, you can talk to the labor hire agency about your work health and safety. There should be a person at work who can help you with any questions about work health and safety. Find out who this is and how to contact them. If you are not sure about something, ask someone for help. Your right to fair pay and conditions. In Australia, there are minimum wages and working conditions. The Fair Work Ombudsman helps employers and workers to understand these rights and responsibilities at work. They can also help you find out what you should be paid. The Fair Work Ombudsman can investigate a case if they think someone has broken workplace laws. To contact Fair Work Ombudsman or learn more about your rights at work, visit www.fairwork.gov.au or call 131394. Bullying. Bullying is repeatedly saying or doing something to a person that frightens them or humiliates them. It could be things like laughing at them, calling them unkind names, pushing into them, or breaking their things. Nobody should be bullied at work. If you are bullied, talk to your boss or another worker and tell them you want it to stop. If it doesn't stop, you can talk to someone in the government or in the state territory where you're working. You can also talk to Fair Work Commission by calling 1-300-799-675 or go to www.fwc.gov.au. What to do if you get hurt or injured at work? Get first aid or see a doctor or nurse straight away. You have the right to choose the doctor you see. This can be your own doctor, a local doctor, or a doctor or nurse at work. You can ask the doctor for a medical certificate and you can show this certificate to your boss. Tell your boss that you have been hurt. You will probably need to fill in a form called an incident report. If you can, try and do this before you go home. If you need help filling the form, ask someone to help you. The form will ask you to explain what happened and how you got hurt. It helps to stop other people from getting hurt or injured like you did. It is very important to have this record. It may affect your workers' compensation. If you have medical bills or can't work because of your injury, you may get workers' compensation to pay for medical treatment and support until you get back to your work. Remember to ask your boss about this as soon as possible and fill in any forms you need to apply for workers' compensation. If you are hurt, do not be afraid that you will get into trouble. Even if you have made a mistake, you should report the injury and ask for help. Hope you found the information in this video useful. Do leave your questions and comments in the comment section below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the bell icon to find out when we release new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.